For this video, we're diving into the art of crafting powerful taglines using ChatGPT. If you want to make your brand stand out or capture your audience's attention with just a few words, this video is for you. And with that, let's get started. Step 1 is to define your brand or product, and ChatGPT right here can assist us with that too. So let's use this to clarify what we're offering and identify our target audience. Here's how you can do it. Type in or put together your prompt right here in the input, like, help me define a brand for an, let's say, eco-friendly skincare line targeting young professionals. Focus on core values like sustainability, natural ingredients, and youthful skin. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would do all the magic from there. So as you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with the brand name EcoGlow Skincare. Let's see an example tagline, but we'll work on that later. Here we go, the following, target audience, brand personality, and yeah, there we go, brand story, brand personality, visual identity. It goes even more and more detailed just for ChatGPT to help you out with the brand you're planning to create, that is. So now we have a well-defined brand and a clear understanding of our target audience, which will make it easier to craft a compelling tagline in the next steps. Pretty cool. Step 2. Let's use ChatGPT to input our key information and generate some tagline options. However, as you can see right here, ChatGPT already provided us or suggested us with this tagline right here. However, if you're not satisfied with the one that ChatGPT had generated right here earlier, well, we can take the brand definition we created in the first step and craft a detailed prompt for ChatGPT to generate another or more tagline options. So let's go over here the input once again, then put together and paste your prompt here. Let's say generate a list of tagline options for an eco-friendly skincare line designed for young professionals. The tagline should emphasize sustainability, natural ingredients, and youthful skin. So let's see. Here ChatGPT will provide a range of tagline options. So let's take a look at some of the suggestions it generated. Wow, that's quite a lot than I expected. It goes from nature's best for your skin and the planet. There's another one, glow green with the natural care. Another is earth-friendly skin solutions. And going down to the last is pure beauty, pure earth. Wow, these are really great. So here are the few examples right here. Each of these taglines captures different aspects of our brand, giving us a variety of options to choose from. Like literally, there's quite a lot right here. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Step 3. Let's review and refine the generated taglines right here with the help of ChatGPT. We can ask ChatGPT to provide feedback on the taglines or even refine them further based on our preferences. You can put together your prompt right here. Then you can either highlight all of them or you can just pick a few of them for ChatGPT to refine and review them. So for me, I can just pick a few, the one that I like the most. So let's say I like this one, number 6, number 16 right here, and number 20. Then you put them together, your prompt, then paste it right here in the chat input. And this is what it says. Provide feedback on these taglines for an eco-friendly skincare line targeting young professionals. Here we go, naturally youthful, sustainably beautiful, revitalized with nature's finest, and pure beauty, pure earth, right here. Suggest improvements if necessary. So let's send and see what ChatGPT would provide with all the results. As you can see right here, this is how ChatGPT would respond with insights right here. Each of them had feedback, improvement suggestions, and there's also revised taglines right here. As you can see right here, the first one, feedback, effectively combines the ideas, clear, concise, then tagline is already strong, then emphasizes, it lacks a direct mention. There's a criticism right here. There's the third one, to enhance clarity, improvement suggestion. It's simple and memorable on the feedback, and here are the revised taglines right here. It's changed. So as a reminder, use ChatGPT suggestions to enhance the taglines and select one that best aligns with your brand's voice. Here we go. Let's go with one of the revised taglines. Let's go with pure beauty from a pure earth. Let's go with this one. This is what I selected that would fit with my brand. Great. Step 4. Let's test your tagline with the help of ChatGPT. We can ask ChatGPT to create a mock-up ad or suggest ways to test the tagline in different contexts. So just put together your prompt right here in the input once again, like this. Create a mock-up ad for an eco-friendly skincare line using the tagline Pure Beauty from a Pure Earth. Include a brief description of the visual elements and how the tagline is presented. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work based on the prompt that I put together right here. Here we go. ChatGPT would respond with something like the background, central image, product display, there are the text elements, the color palette, the mock-up ad description right here, then text elements, product display, and yeah, as you can see, with all the guide that ChatGPT had generated, you can visualize how your tagline looks and feels in context. If it adds your eye and communicates the right message, you're on the right track. If not, use ChatGPT to refine the tagline further or generate new visual ideas. Pretty amazing with everything so detailed right here on the guide for the mock-up ad. Yeah, and there you have it. Crafting powerful taglines in seconds with ChatGPT is that easy.